So this is what not to do, people. This is what I have as far as so there, that's better. And then I can move around with y'all. So I'm actually getting ready to clean out my refrigerator and get things crack-a-lacking. So only the bins that I just poured out are not, I didn't wipe, but everything else I've actually put it in a dishwasher, cleaned it, and yeah, so this is what we have in the refrigerator. Nothing is organized. I have been just going. So we are going to get this baby together right now.
I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you, maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you, will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care when I say?
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh.
But so far, for right now, so I put my other drink over here. Then I've added my lemons. And like I stated, it is next to my fruit. I have my blueberries, my grapes back here. I have an overflow of my caramel macchiato. I have eggs. I have condiments right here. My wine, my oat milk back there. I have apple juice and caramel macchiato in those. And then I have regular lactate milk. And then I have my bagels next to my cream cheese and butter. And then on this shelf, I have my tomato that I've used, so cook or cut up vegetables I'll just put right here. And then I have my whole ones that I haven't used yet with my ginger over there. Then I have condiments, and then all of my juices is right here. So, and my eggs are right there. So that is it for my refrigerator. And now, as stated, I will go ahead and get my pantry done. So I can see what I have left over to go into my freezer. I didn't do my freezer yet. So I'll show y'all my pantry, what it's looking like right now. So I just did a little something. So I have my cookie jar. I have those. I don't know what I'm going to do with those containers there. I have these baskets. My bread, I have 3 containers there with another basket. And I just had that plastic here. So, yep. And I have a lot of stuff that will be going in the pantry. So, all of that stuff over there. Y'all see? Yep. Time to get it up off the floor. So, that is what we are going to do. So I'm going to go use the restroom real quick and then come back and get started on that. So I picked up this Lazy Susan, and I picked up this wrap that will help me to keep my canned food straight and for me to know what I have. I don't buy a lot of canned food, so, but what I do buy, so that goes like that. And then you can make it short or long. Let's see if I can take this tag off. And for this, I'm gonna put my pills or medicine on, and that way, when we're looking for something, we can just turn it until we find it. So that's what will go on here, all of our pills. So I'll start off with like my pills that I take at a regular, I take these daily. My probiotics, I take a vitamin D, which I take 5,000 IUDs because I'm vitamin D deficient. I take Zyrtec, and I take my Lactaid. I take that on a daily basis, and that's what I take. And then in the evening, I take magnesium. These are magnesium. Good morning, my beautiful people. Happy Monday. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm so freaking tired. You would think that I'm like getting ready to catch a flight or something, being up this early on my day off, but no, that is not the case. It is, I want to say, what time is it, babe? It's 7:56, and as y'all can see, I've already taken my bath, did my hair, did my face, put moisturizer and everything on it. Now I'm having breakfast, just a simple bagel and toast. I am using the Philadelphia cream cheese, a third less fat. Love this. And y'all, I love cream cheese. Oh my God. So I get the one that's a third less fat. I can tolerate it a little bit more than the other one. And then because I have work to do and I'm not trying to be fancy this morning, I just have my simple little cup that reads, I want coffee. Yes, that's what I want this morning. So I'm up because today is today is mass pickup with your garbage. So my husband and I have stuff we want to get rid of. Yeah, so we have stuff we want to get rid of. So we're gonna try to beat him and get the stuff out there. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing up. And because my son called me at freaking 6 o'clock this morning, I'm thinking this emergency, something going on. I'm like, boy, 6 o'clock in the freaking morning, really, Austin? Ugh. I know. So I couldn't go back to sleep. I'm like, I'm up. I might as well get up. So I got up. And here I am, y'all. Tired and all, but I'm here. It is Monday. A continuation from my pantry. I was able to finish my pantry, but not my spice rack. A lot of people I get eggs, which probiotic I use. I use the Mega Spore Biotic. It is a probiotic supplement. This helps to keeps me regular. This helps to keep my body, gut working good. And then I'm going to take a Pepcid due to my acid reflux. So I take 4 pills in the morning. Vitamin D, which is now, I take the 5,000 IU, and then just a simple Zyrtec for my allergies. This is what I have for my pantry, guys. I have storage up there. I have my pans, my mixing bowls and everything. I have my glass bowls that I like to store extra food in. I don't like the plastic ones because they tend to hold smell and coloration from like sauces. So I stick with the glass ones. I have glass ones back there, small ones up there. I got all different sizes. And then this is my can. As y'all can see, I don't use a lot of canned food. I will be going to get some chili beans though today. I have my sauces. I love Alfredo, so I use Rails. And I love this organic Tola, fire roasted garlic for my spaghetti. And then my snacks, Pop-Tarts, olive oil. I like keeping my olive oil in a plastic container because if it spill over, it's easy to clean. I have my bread. I have in here potatoes and onions. And in this one, I have just things to help for pots when it's hot. And then that's like a dump all basket for like my holiday seasonal stuff. And then I have these baskets. I haven't put anything in. This is my salad bowl. I didn't do anything with these. Cookie jar, little cups that we picked up. My cake plate I had back at home. This is an overflow. My cake plate, cupcake plate, and like I stated, the upper flow. Then I have my macaroni, spaghetti, jasmine rice, crackers, and I have my taco shells. They didn't have a thing for taco shells. I have tea. I have my brownie mix in there. And then I have Cheerios, cereal, grits, pancake mix, sugar. And then in here I have condiments, my syrup, and then vinegar and apple cider vinegar. And then over there I have just a random of stuff right there. I have to get me some more plastic bins that I'm probably going to order off of Amazon. I have my oatmeal plastic cups. I don't know if I stated this. Cheerios, cereal, grits, pancake mix, and sugar. Then I have cookies. I have candies. And here is our medicine little Lazy Susan. We have chips. My husband have plasticware. We have bottled water down there, soda, plastics for sandwich bags or the big bags, and then popcorn. And that is all we have, guys. So that is what my pantry is looking like. Like I said, I'm going to close this video out by doing my spice rack. But first and foremost, we're getting ready to head to the garage so we can toss out what we don't want. Toss out what we don't want before the garbage people get here. And I'll pick y'all back up in a little bit. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so it is several days later, and yeah. I needed something sweet. Okay. Hey guys, it is several days later. I tried to film this on, today is Wednesday. I think I've been trying to film this since Sunday. I have been so busy. My husband has just been like a crunch on getting things together. I'm like, babe, we got time. But he's just like, no, this needs to be done. This needs to be done. So I apologize. My goal is to get 3 videos out a week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That is my goal. He's actually just coming in. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to hurry up and do this before he actually get in. I just get off of work, actually. So what I'm doing now is I'm filling my spice racks, what I've been trying to do for the longest. I've already put the labels on them. So I got these off of Amazon. Love these because they have the spout where you can lift and pour, or you can sprinkle. So I love the plastic cap on them. I've already washed them out and everything. I've actually put labels on them. You can see that this one has garlic salt on it. So I got 3 different labels that came with the packaging. I got these off of Amazon. I'll definitely put the link to these below so that if you want to organize your seasonings, you can do that. I got a bamboo rack that is in this drawer over here that I would be putting them in. So this is one of the packages that came with the labels. And then, so they had the white labels with black wording on them. They had clear labels is what I used. And then they had labels that you could just put on the top of the seasoning. So I opted for the clear ones and been using those. So now I am getting ready to fill them up. Like I said, I've been trying to do this since Sunday. So yeah. So I may need to stop this again. I got somebody coming over at 5 o'clock for landscaping. I want to add a lemon tree in my backyard and some flowers and stuff in the front. And I want to take out the tree that we have in the front yard and replace it with something else. So yeah.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good, good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you.
This is what I have as far as all the spices together. But this is the good stuff. So I have my Larry seasoning salt. I have my, put that over there, paprika. I have my lemon pepper. I have my red pepper flakes. I have my oregano. I have my ginger. I have my smoked paprika. I have my garlic powder, Old Bay, Creole, Italian seasoning. That's all I had of that, y'all. Pepper, chili powder. So now we are going to put them in this drawer right here with my bamboo spice rack. Oh. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is put them in alphabetical order. We got C, S up here, C down here, M, N, O, 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 R, N, L, O, L, R. So this one up here would be C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, N, O, O, P, oh, ginger, garlic right here. So we got A, B, we got C, E, F, G, I, K, L, no, M, N, O, P, R, and then S. And then when I get the rest of them, I'll put those in. So I gotta make more labels for those. Extra. So now it is right here. How cool. So when I'm cooking, I can just reach over here. If I need something, get it and season my food. So cool, right? So neat. I love that. Oh my God. Love this for me. Yay. So I have some extra ones as well up there. But this is what I have, guys. I just absolutely love that. Oh my God, so beautiful. So let me clean up this little mess. That was it. That was it. That was all. Oh, I need to do the rest of my pantry stuff as well. Let's finish this video off with that. This stuff I will put in my pantry. I went to the store on yesterday. We went to Publix, my husband and I, and just picked up a couple of items. I picked up some Sociables, crackers, love these. Some Cheez-Its. My husband just opened up the cookies, oatmeal ice cookies by Archway, and I have the plain oatmeal. I brought me some stuff to make a pound cake, so I have my lemon, my pure vanilla, and my pure almond extract. I can't hear you, Chucky. Okay, y'all, let's go see what they're talking about. Let me grab my mask and my shoes.
Yeah, something similar to...
Is that a palm tree or no?
This is the palm tree.
Oh, so it's gonna grow big?
These, they don't grow like, I mean, they're not gonna grow as big as like those, I mean, you see those palm trees over here? Now,
Right,
they're
right.
not gonna grow as big as that, but they'll grow. They can grow up to like, I think about 16 feet or something like that.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay.
But these, I mean, they're self-shedding trees, so.
Yeah, so I'm just like, do we cut these off when they're down?
No,
or
no,
just...
these right here, they actually, I mean, you could trim them up as you want to, but these are self-shedding, so like, once they get old, they fall off.
Yeah, I was just thinking about these, how these are going.
Oh, well, see that? Yeah, it might need some fertilizer because this brown right here, but actually that might be one that normally they get all brown and then they fall off, but this could be it needs fertilizer or something like that. So
this is something that you could buy for it.
yeah, you could buy some fertilizer from like Home Depot. When I did her job over there, I fertilized all her trees and stuff like that once we put them in. So
Okay. Oh, so you got to dig it up and put it in
no,
there?
no. You just put it around the base right there, and then once you water your grass and stuff, all the nutrients get in there.
Oh, okay, cool.
I had a plant. Actually, it's not a plant. It's these trees right here.
Oh yeah, that's a plant.
So
That's a plant.
Oh, it is a plant. Do they have trees similar to that? Because I saw some of that was much bigger and
They
it looked
probably have
like
to grow
filled
like
up
that.
the
It look like,
space.
then you take a picture of it. It look
Yeah.
like a rubber tree.
Yeah.
Time to grow in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you have to like the way these neighborhoods are. Like that's why they called me in right when they moved in, because the way they build them is like, I mean, it takes a while for these things to actually fill in. They're supposed to have more in there, and then like you have to
Like those. Are those the same thing?
that looks. Where did you take this picture? Was there somewhere around here?
No. It was at some place we was dining at and happened. I think it was in like Vieira.
Yeah, and they just
Okay.
had like the bushes.
Was it-
but
was it-
they was about like come up to about
Are
like
they
that.
bigger leaves though? Like bigger?
They're about like
I mean,
that.
it looks about the same, but
Yeah.
these do have to grow up though. These are babies.
Okay.
So these things do have to grow up, and you have to maintain them throughout their growth so they can actually grow together. So, but what you see on your picture, they like these are like there's supposed to be more in here. It's gonna take so long for this stuff to grow in to actually be like a hedge. What you're saying?
Okay.
Because that one it was a lot of them.
Yeah. And those are so scattered.
Yeah, these are babies, and
Because I even hate the way they
mature.
did this, man, because they didn't lay anything down to stop the grass from growing up through
they
it.
never do. They just do basic stuff. They make it look good and stuff, and then you move in, and then you're like, man.
Well, we didn't never want these wood chips in the first place.
We want rock.
Yeah.
Down.
I can't tell you how many jobs I get. Like, even personally, my sister like recently bought a house, and you buy the house and they give you only a few options. And like when she moved in, she's like, I don't like any of this stuff, you know. So and they don't do it to where they don't do it like they just do it like as a bulk. They just like come in here and do it real quick.
Yep. So, are you gonna have him to put these?
Well,
you want to quote on that?
Because we all definitely want to get with the trees. We can do estimates how much was to get rid of this
And put some
down
rocks.
in the same area, but get rid of these wood chips on this side, on the other side.
Okay.
So we actually wanted it. I don't know. I know back home in Chicago. I know with these you have the. Hey guys, so we just finished up out there with the guy for our yard. So I am going to finish this stuff up really, really quick. Or you could do the rocks. Yeah, that's true. So it's up to you because you wanted the rock. So I was just. Right.
I really don't like wood chips around the house. I don't.
Yeah. Call somebody else, but I think anybody we call is going to be about that price. Hey guys, so my husband just finished it. He took over the job for me. And the rack is really, really, really beautiful. I'll show you guys it, but here it is. So this is the top rack that I would prepare stuff on. I have this rack right here, so I can put the items over here and just reach for them. I would have put this further down, but because this is so high, it really wouldn't have made sense. So yeah, and then it has a towel rack right here. This is the front of it, and then it has a towel rack right here. So really cute. And you can lock the legs on it so that it don't move on you. I love it. So this will be going in my pantry. I think it fits perfect. It doesn't take anything away from the pantry. I love it. What you think? And you can still get in and get what you need. I am going to go ahead and close. This has been the longest video. Not my longest, but I'm sure a long video. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. I hope you would become a part of my day or part of my family. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's so simple by hitting that little red subscribe button right down below. And if you are returning, hello, hey, welcome, and thank you so much for coming back. I so greatly appreciate it. Guys, we're in the pantry. My next video, I'll be showing y'all my closet. I put everything in there, but not gonna add it onto here. The house is almost done, almost done. We should be getting our curtains tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned for that. And I got my office done. Stay tuned for that video. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all in my next one. So if you want to see more, just subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload them. Bye.